Once your last frost date has passed, your garden officially shifts into warm season mode. This is when heat-loving vegetables can finally go into the ground without stress, shock, or setback. Planting too early can stunt growth, but planting at the right time leads to faster growth, healthier plants, and bigger harvests. Today, I'm breaking down 13 vegetables I will be planting after the last frost date. Now, if you like content like this, I want you to smash that like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next video. Let's start with number 1. Tomatoes are one of the most popular garden crops, but they absolutely hate cold. Even light frost can kill them, and cool soil slows their growth. Plant tomatoes after frost when soil temperatures are consistently warm. This helps them establish strong roots and start producing sooner. Next are peppers, both sweet and hot. Peppers are even more sensitive to cold than tomatoes. They prefer warm nights and soil temperatures above 60 degrees. Planting after frost prevents stunted growth and leaf drop. Number 3 is eggplant. Eggplant thrives in heat and full sun. If planted too early, it may sit still for weeks. After frost, eggplant grows quickly and produces more consistently throughout summer. Fourth is cucumbers. Cucumbers grow fast, but struggle in cold soil. After frost, they germinate quickly, vine aggressively, and begin flowering early. Warm soil also reduces disease problems. Next up is zucchini. Zucchini loves warmth and grows incredibly fast once established. Planting after frost ensures rapid growth and earlier harvests without cold stress. Number 6 is summer squash. Like zucchini, summer squash needs warm soil to grow properly. After frost planting results in stronger plants and better yields. Number 7 is pumpkins. Pumpkins need warmth, space, and time. Cold soil delays germination and growth, so planting after frost gives pumpkins the conditions they need to size up properly. Number 8 is watermelon. Watermelon demands heat. Planting after frost ensures warm soil, faster vine growth, and sweeter fruit later in the season. 9 is cantaloupe. Like watermelon, cantaloupe prefers hot weather and full sun. Warm soil helps roots establish quickly and leads to better fruit development. Number 10 is corn. Corn seeds rot easily in cold soil. Plant corn after frost when the soil is warm, so seeds germinate evenly and plants grow strong and tall. Next are green beans. Beans are very cold sensitive and can fail to germinate if planted too early. After frost, they sprout quickly and produce heavily. Number 12 is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are planted as slips and need warm soil to establish. Planting after frost leads to vigorous vine growth and larger tubers. And finally, number 13 is tomatillos. Tomatillos grow similarly to tomatoes but are often more vigorous. Warm soil after frost helps them establish quickly and produce heavily. Before planting any of these, make sure nighttime temperatures stay consistently above freezing and your soil has warmed up. Adding compost and watering deeply after planting will help your vegetables get established quickly. If this video helped you plan your post-frost garden, hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and comment below with what you're planting this season. Happy gardening!